Here is a detailed comparison of the 3 best bean-to-cup coffee machines of the moment: the Krups Essential, the Philips 2200 series and the DeLonghi Magnifica S. We will analyze their features, strengths and possible drawbacks to help you choose the one that best suits your needs. All product links and their updated prices are available in the description. Top 3. Krups Essential. The Krups Essential is a compact and intuitive machine, ideal for coffee lovers who want a simple experience without compromising on quality. Compact design, perfect for tight spaces. It fits easily into any kitchen. Intuitive interface. The controls are simple, making it easy to prepare your favorite coffee. Stainless steel grinder ensures a consistent grind for optimal extraction of aromas. Customization. Ability to adjust the coffee strength and the amount of water for each cup. Users appreciate the ease of use and compactness of the Krups Essential. However, some note a lack of features for milky drinks and a less modern design than other models. Pros: ease of use, small footprint, easy maintenance. Cons: fewer advanced features compared to other models. Limited options for milk drinks. Top 2. Philips 2200 series. The Philips 2200 series stands out for its excellent value for money, offering advanced features for demanding coffee lovers. Intuitive touchscreen allows easy selection of different drinks. Ceramic grinder, durable and precise. It preserves the aromas of the coffee beans. Latte Go system prepares milky drinks with a creamy foam and cleans in seconds. Personalization. Adjust the intensity, volume and temperature of the coffee according to your preferences. Customer reviews. Users praise the ease of cleaning, especially thanks to the Latte Go system, and the quality of the drinks prepared. Some mention that the capacity of the water tank could be improved to avoid frequent refills. Pros: easy to clean, variety of beverages available, user-friendly interface. Cons: water tank capacity slightly lower than some competitors. Top 1. DeLonghi Magnifica S. The DeLonghi Magnifica S is known for its reliability and the quality of its espressos, making it a top choice for coffee purists. Stainless steel conical grinder offers precise grinding for optimal extraction. Manual cappuccino system allows you to prepare a rich and creamy milk froth for your cappuccinos. Complete customization. Adjust the intensity, temperature and length of your coffee. Simplified maintenance, automatic rinsing and descaling programs to extend the life of the machine. User feedback is mostly positive, highlighting the quality of the espressos and the ease of maintenance. Some note that the machine can be a little noisy and that the design is more traditional. Strong points: consistent quality of espressos, extensive customization, easy maintenance. Weak points: slightly bulkier design, less modern interface than some competitors. In conclusion, top 3, Krups Essential, compact and easy to use, ideal for small spaces and lovers of simple coffee. Top 2, Philips 2200 series, offers a variety of drinks with a practical cleaning system, excellent value for money. Top 1, DeLonghi Magnifica S, performance and customization for coffee purists. So, which one tempts you the most? Tell us in the comments. Remember to subscribe to discover other high-tech comparisons. All the links and prices are in the description. See you soon for a new video.